Howdy, y'all. It's been a long, rough winter here at the little homestead, so sorry I haven't got any videos, but as you can see, this is a little tribute to my baby girl, Penny. I had her since she was 8 weeks old, and she came everywhere with Dad. She came on hikes, camping, came out to parties. She even came out to watch Dad practice on the putting green, and sometimes she'd even like to join him in on the fun there. She did love her napping. Loved to see her grandpa and grandma. Here's her sleeping over at grandma's house with her eyes open. And as she got older, she wouldn't wake up when Daddy came home from work, so we had to do a little coaxing. But she was always happy to see Daddy just as much as he was to see her. For the longest time, it was just Penny and I. Yeah, we live with other dogs, but it was always just the two of us no matter where I went. She came along. But as she got older, I knew the time was coming, so I thought I'd add a new partner to the mix, and that was Baby. And luckily, they got along well. A little match made in heaven for the time they got to spend together. So that was nice, but Daddy was always the apple of her eye. And she, in turn, will always be the apple of his eye. Daddy misses you very much, Penny. I'll see you again. Thanks, y'all.